Lady, if you a bossed out chick, make your own money and floss them chips, fly in, fly out, put your drinks up, buy everything that you ever think of.
Hi babes, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying with us in this family. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family, babes. Please feel free, feel at home. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. So today I'm going to do a simple makeup tutorial because I'm going out. So I'm just doing a simple makeup tutorial. It's basically you're getting ready with me because I'm going out with my friend. So I'll just do my makeup. I've already put on my wig, so I'll do my makeup, then I will show you the final look.
I begin to
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a continuation of the previous vlog. Today we are going for a baby shower. It's our friend's baby shower, so we are going to surprise her. We really don't know whether it will be a surprise because anyway, so this is my outfit for today. Yeah, the theme was white and gold, but here we are rocking white all over, but at least I have gold and gold. So see ya, come along with us guys. Jack, hi. Jack, sini baby of the day. Najua ende yako bado. Jack. Smile kidogo. Unajua na wewe ngoja usikae hapo. Kisha. Hi. Hi you.
Niko emotional sahi ama nizae. Guys.
Here's our lady.
Oh yeah.
Can we?
Guys.
Wacha tuite ule mzee akuje tuhamishe.
Sasa bado kuzaa. Guys, Melissa yani bako umekaa.
Imagine paka na vlog, not just coming. Yes, I'm documented it for you. So lia tu kama unataka kulia, lia tu. Usijikazia.
Wachilia itoke. Oh my makeup. My makeup. Welcome to the shower.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love.